Hey, I was wanting to show all your Dodge truck, Dodge period, Chrysler period probably, about headlight systems and all that. Well, you're not going to believe this. Chrysler, this is their headlight system. This plug right here, this is the main plug that goes to your headlights. And I've already cut it off, and I thought I'd video it. It's put together with the smallest wire that you can use on in the automotive industry. 20 gauge wire. These plugs are junk. I mean, I've never seen anything like. The only thing I've ever seen even close to this is old Jaguars, and their Bosch system, I think was the name of it. And the reason that I can tell you that is because I own a 82 model. But if you're having trouble with your headlights, I'm not saying this is the only problem that's wrong with them, but this is the major part. And I even tried to fix this. I tried to straighten the pins out, make sure they make good connections, but there's just no way, absolutely no way. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting these plugs out, and I'm putting wires that I can just plug together. So anyway, for all the Dodge truck owners out there, and Chrysler won't fix them because it's not a safety thing. You be driving your truck at night and the lights just go out. So anyway, y'all need to do something about Chrysler if you own one of these pieces of junk. And this truck is about a year old. It's my son's truck. Look at this. Is that something? A year-old truck, and the console is cracking, and park brake thing is just junk, falling apart. And I've been in the automotive business all my life, but my son didn't come talk to me before he bought this piece of junk. But okay, bye.